Hello everyone, welcome to Data in Nutshell. In this video, we will see how to do mail merge and send emails to our customers or vendors. In Gmail, we do not have an option of mail merge by default. So this tool, Gmail Automation One-Stop Solution, and this tab, mail merge, this will help you to send bulk emails and that too personalized emails with a mail merge option to your clients or vendors. So let's see how to do it. So in this tab mail merge, we have these columns. In row 8, email status, it is auto populated. Email recipients, you can paste the email IDs to which you want to send the emails. Then you can write a subject here in this particular column. And then we have an option if you want to send an attachment with the email, then tick this option and then paste the URL ID. That means the file ID. For example, if this is my drive, go to this particular PDF, copy this, copy link, and then paste here somewhere. So if I want to take the ID, then you have to select this text, so which is after d/ and before /view. Take this text and then paste it in this particular cell, right? This particular column can also be automated if in case it is required in your scenario. But as of now, this is a manual process. Just paste the ID and then we have an option of the body. Body means the email content. So this option is provided with the help of Google Doc, where you can paste a Google Doc link, right? And in this, do not get overwhelmed with the text which is present here. The text which is in black is basically the HTML body. You can keep as it is and ignore it. The text in blue is basically the content of your email. You can change it as per your need. So this is the first paragraph, this is second paragraph, this is third paragraph, this is the last line, and then best regards. And we also have hi, right? Hi, the name of the recipient. Now the blue text, you can change it as per your need. And the red text is basically the placeholders. So if you want to replace any text or any word in that email content, make sure that you have to write the placeholders like this: curly bracket, text 1, curly bracket, right? It can be text 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For now, it only contains 8 options, or you can say 8 placeholders that you can add in your email content, right? So this is our email where we have entered text 1, 2, 4, 5, and at the last we have text 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So let's go to the sheet where we have the template. You can see here text 1, text 2, text 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you also have some text below that, right? So for this particular email, the email which is being sent to this particular recipient, that means in the body, text 1 will be replaced by x1, text 2 will be replaced by x2, and so on. So with the help of information in these columns, you can customize your email. With the help of this column, you can create a body, and that too in HTML format, so that the formatting is good. And this column will help you to attach a file with the email. In this, you can add the subject, and this you can add the email list. Let's see how it works. And before moving to how it works, we also have a section here where it tells remaining daily email quota. So there is a limit by Google that you cannot send 100 emails in a day. So that quota is also mentioned here. Once we click on send emails, it will send the email and it will update the quota as well. As of now, it will send 10 emails in one loop. That means when we click on this button once, it will send 10 emails in one go. But there are options where you can automate that process as well, that every 2 hours it will send 10 emails to the recipients, and it can do it on a regular, or you can say a daily basis as well. So it depends how you want to customize. And just in case if you want to customize any of the tabs, not even mail merge, any of the tabs, you can just go to extensions, click on app script, and it will open the code section here. And you can just customize it with the help of ChatGPT, or if you know the code, then also you can customize it. So the code is free. With the tool itself, you can customize it as per your needs and use it for lifetime. Let's go and run this code first. Let's go to the Gmail ones and see there are no emails as of now, right? No fresh emails. Let's move here and click on send emails. Once the email is sent, you can see that this column is also updated, sent, and the quota is also updated, that is 78. For today, we can only send 78 more emails with the help of Google Apps Script. Let's go to Gmail and check out the email. This is the email, and you can see that we have replaced the placeholder successfully and also attached a PDF in the email. I hope this will definitely going to help you, and I would request you to bookmark this Google Sheet because more features are yet to come and it will be added in the next tabs. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.